Kharkiv, or Kharkov in Russian, is the second largest city of Ukraine. It's 350 years old, and its population is 1.5 million. It's the biggest industrial center, as well as the city of outstanding scientific findings. But Kharkiv is famous not only for its industry and science, but for its architecture as well. Its old streets, its parks and squares, its picturesque recreation zones create its unique image. Kharkiv has 6 theaters, more than 30 museums, a number of exhibition halls and art galleries. It ranks as the cultural center of Eastern Ukraine. Besides, Kharkiv is a city of students. It's the home of 37 institutions of higher learning, with almost 200,000 students there. Kharkiv National Automobile and Highway University, founded in 1930, has long been recognized as one of the most prestigious institutions of higher education. It belongs among the leading centers of education, science and methodology. Here, students study dozens of interesting and important subjects. They learn to make and implement into practice complicated yet interesting engineering decisions and designs on their own. The system of higher education is two-staged. The university offers bachelor's and master's degrees in every of its 20 specialties and offers doctor degree in some of them. The attainment of university graduates is known to depend upon its faculty. Among the faculty of Kharkiv National Automobile and Highway University, there are honored workers of science and technology of Ukraine, honored workers of education of Ukraine, state prize winners, academicians, and corresponding members of the Ukrainian Academy of Transport. Teaching practice employs modern ITs and computer engineering techniques. About 1,000 computers are housed in 40 computer classrooms, linked by a local network with internet access. An educational portal developed at the university proved to be very helpful for students' independent work. Kharkiv National Automobile and Highway University includes 5 departments and 31 chairs, which represent the whole spectrum of industries dealing with motor vehicles and roads. The Automobile Department trains design engineers and researchers for automotive industry, of navigation electronics, for transport systems, of on-board diagnostic systems and robotics. The graduates of the department work for automotive industry companies, for company service stations, for motor shows, for service centers, research and educational institutions. Road Construction Department offers undergraduate and graduate programs for training specialists in designing, building and maintenance of highways, bridges, vehicular traffic tunnels, airfields, as well as in ecology and environmental protection. Those who have graduated from the department work in such industries of civil engineering as construction, industrial and road engineering, for administration and inspection boards of ecology safety and environment protection, in research and design institutes. Mechanical engineering, automation and ITs are the guidelines in engineer training at the mechanical department of the university. The graduates of the department land their jobs at machine building factories, road building and maintenance boards, research and educational institutions. Passenger transportation and trucking organization, road transport management and logistics, transport systems, traffic management and control are the specialties of the Department of Transport Systems. The graduates of the department work for transportation corporations and other haulers, with design institutions and planning and design offices and at custom houses. Business administration, accounting and audit are the specialties of the Business Administration Department. The graduates of the department work as marketing consultants, advertising agents, tax officers, watchdogs, or work with auditing firms, banks or insurance companies. As a result, the graduates of Kharkiv National Automobile and Highway University can hold the post according to his or her line at businesses of different forms of proprietorship. The university has a number of unique laboratories, among which is the Racing Car Laboratory, well known and recognized all over the world for its design and sport achievements. It's become a basis for creative and scientific research of many students. The Laboratory of Car Diagnostics and Maintenance tests engines, fuels and oils. The Laboratory for Motor Vehicle Expert Appraisal has the exclusive right to grant certificates to motor vehicles in Kharkiv and Kharkiv region. The university is proud of its Vikvant research station, designed to determine physical and mechanical properties of materials, such as strength, hardness, elasticity, plasticity, and wear resistance. Of great importance for the Automobile and Highway University is international cooperation. The scientists of the University Chair of Physics and their colleagues from the University of Northern Texas are jointly carrying out research within the American CRD Foundation grant to create the car of future called Cryomobile, the newest and the most ecology-friendly vehicle operating on liquid nitrogen. Within the educational sphere, the university is engaged in exchanging curricula, syllabuses, teaching practice materials with the institutions of higher education from Europe, America, Asia and Africa. Kharkiv National Automobile and Highway University participates in the European Tempus program, which is aimed to pool and disseminate the advanced experience in the field of engineering, didactics at technical universities of Russia and Ukraine. The center of the IGIP International Society, granting the qualification of an engineer instructor of the European level to the instructors of technical disciplines, has been set up here. The final year students do their practical work in Slovenia and Germany at the Wertgen company. They study modern production processes and road building machines and equipment, learning to operate them. The Center to Train Specialists servicing German road building machinery is currently being established on the basis of the university with the aid of Wertgen company and the State Department for Motor Roads of Ukraine. Kharkiv National Automobile and Highway University places emphasis on the training of foreign citizens. Students from 20 countries of the world are currently getting fundamental schooling in engineering. First, foreign citizens enter the preparatory department, where the attendants acquire language commands. All the conditions for profound education of the future students have been created. Good auditoriums, experienced instructors, computer programs. For mastering Russian language, the Globus Teacher's Aid has been elaborated. Preparatory department attendants dwell in the comfortable halls of residence. Rooms are cozy, light and warm. The rooms are comfortable to sit in with the friends, enjoying coffee, listening to music, reading a book, watching satellite television. And certainly, it's of great importance that everyone has the opportunity to use PC with internet access. You want to write a message home? You are welcome. In few minutes, it will be at any place on the globe, hundreds of kilometers away from Kharkiv. The interesting program of the preparatory department is also interesting and diverse. Those are jolly concerts in the city, on the biggest square of Europe, acquiring with Ukrainian and Russian traditions, tours around the city, exhibitions and sightseeing around Ukraine. Everybody is excited about this first snow and enjoys the spring sun and its tender rays. It couldn't be otherwise, because the preparatory department is big international family. An academic year flies away too fast. The exams are coming, and here you are. Diplomas are yours. If you make a choice in favor of this university, its Center of International Education and Cooperation will provide all the conditions for you to become a skilled specialist, and having come back to your native country, you could easily get a position at the most prestigious businesses of motor transport, road construction, ecology, in administration and business. Our address is 25 Petrovsky Street, Kharkiv, Ukraine.